everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to today's video. Okay, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a skin repair remedy that helps you glow really well. It helps to polish up your skin, make your skin look flawless, and make your skin look young again. Okay, so this treatment is actually very natural, effective, wonderful, and I love it. Okay guys, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's go. Okay guys, so to repair your skin, you're gonna be needing to use papaya, and you can also call this pawpaw. Okay, and I'm actually gonna be preparing this. Okay, all right, so papaya is a great remedy that helps so much for the skin because it contains numerous vitamins like vitamin C. It helps to lighten up your skin and repair any roughness. Okay, it will help to leave your skin looking really young and supple. So how we're gonna be preparing this, guys, we're just gonna be cutting the papaya into two. And this is it. So we're not going to be using this for now. So we're going to be taking just a little piece of this papaya. We're going to prepare it by removing the seed, for we don't want the seed in this particular remedy, and then remove the peel. So now I would have to be creating the papaya, or to make it more easier, you can just blend it. Okay, but since I don't want to blend it, I'm just creating. Okay guys, so I'm actually going to be transferring that into this little mortar to make it even more smooth. I would have to also be crushing it. Alright, so look at how it is. I've crushed it and it's well smooth. And now the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is yogurt. Now yogurt is a great remedy that helps so much in making your skin look really smooth. It helps to reduce the size of aging, and it also reduces the size of pores, which causes your skin to go oily, therefore making your skin look really rough and unkept. And it also helps to increase the elasticity of your skin. Okay, so we're gonna be putting in 1 tablespoon of this yogurt into this remedy. Then also we're going to be needing milk. Now milk is as equivalent to yogurt. It contains the lactic acids, and it also contains vitamin E, which helps to retain your skin by reducing the signs of aging like fine lines. It also helps to calm your skin, and it also helps to make your skin look really soft. So you can actually just use the liquid milk, or you use this dry milk. Yeah, so 1 tablespoon of dry milk, would be better, but of course you would have to dilute it with water to make it really great. So this is how it looks. It's pretty thick. And then we're going to be putting in a little bit of Colgate. Now this minty refreshing toothpaste helps so much in removing dark spots and pimples. Okay, so we're going to be adding it all up so that in case you're developing pimples, it's just going to help kill it up. But this is optional in case you do not have pimples on your skin. Okay, so I'm actually going to be pressing a good quantity of it into this treatment, and when you press it in, you have to make sure to mix it, yeah, so that it will be properly mixed. But if you want to skip it, it's optional, just like I said initially. And then also we're going to be making use of tomato. Now tomato is great because it helps to reduce excessive oil on the skin. It also helps to remove unwanted hair. It helps your skin smoothing up, and it also lightens up the skin because of the vitamin E and vitamin C in it. Alright, so I'm actually going to be creating this. And we're not going to be needing too much of it. Then we have to pour it into the treatment, and now we'll have a great remedy. Okay, then I will have to stir it all up, and here we have a great ingredient. Alright, so let's go use this on the face, guys. Man, if you use this at least once a week, guys, you're gonna be loving your skin. Okay, let's go make use of this. Okay guys, so repair your skin using this. Oops. Okay, so this is actually very perfect. Smells good. Refrigerate it, and then you can use a brush or you can use your hands. So let me actually use my hand in applying this and see the difference of using a brush. Okay, I think I'll have to use a brush. It's actually better to use a hand. So you spread this evenly onto your skin to repair all of those pains. Okay, so for this you can actually refrigerate it and keep it for some days. All right, and then you use it on your skin. And for this remedy, you have to be scrubbing and scrub. Okay guys, so this is powerful. This is really working. This you can actually use it up to like 3 times in a week, and because it's so mild on the skin, it will help to remove all of your dark spots. It will help you repair your skin. Yeah, and it will also help you to keep your complexion glowing and bright. Yeah, so if you're having a problem of pimples, this is actually going to help you. So you would scrub it all out and then you apply it again. And then for this particular one, it's not like gonna dry, but you have to hold it on for like 3 to 5 minutes and then you go wash it off. So I'm gonna go wash this off and I'll be. But that's it. Transform your skin with this. This is actually very natural, very effective. The ingredients in it are lovely and I am falling in love with this because this is superb. Okay, so that's it. If you did love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye guys.